Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 10, and today I'll show you how we can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your toggles from the top right side, extend the list, and somewhere in here you'll find the toggle for the power saving, hopefully. It looks like it's not turned or not visible in here by default, so let's stop right over here on this square and then edit switches, and I can already see it right here as the first one, power saving. So I can just grab it, drag it, and let's select done, and now I can access it whenever I need it. So let's just tap on it. It brings up a notification right here. Power saving mode improves battery life by disabling features such as auto syncing. Wow, that is the most rudimentary explanation of what it actually does. There is so much more happening in the background, and it is absolute insult that they didn't even mention it. So let me just kind of go into things that I know will happen and I expect will happen. They might not be all correct, but they are for the most part for basically every phone, so I would assume it's the same thing right here. So number one, high refresh rate display, it's now turned off, which if we have 120 Hertz, that's no longer enabled to save battery. And probably one of the most important things that will happen right now is not disable. When you basically lock the device, like so, and you leave it alone, it will disconnect from mobile and Wi-Fi. Now, because of that, you won't be getting any kind of notifications that require internet connection, because you don't have it right now. So the phone disconnects to preserve battery, but it is a little bit of an inconvenience. Now, when you wake it up again, so just boom, like now, it would reconnect automatically and sync up everything that was missing. But for people that are wondering why they're not getting any kind of notifications from like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on, that's basically the reason, the power saving mode being enabled. So anyway, there's probably a couple other things happening in the background, like 5G connectivity, if this phone even supports it, being turned off, and probably other things, but I have no way of knowing it, because as you've seen, the explanation right here is just as bare bones as it can get. Now, last things last, to turn it off, just find the toggle once more, tap on it, and it will turn it off, and everything should go back to functioning normally. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.